Welcome back to our channel.
Today we're gonna make Seamoss.
Yes, today we're gonna make some Irish moss or whatever you call it, Seamoss. And I'm gonna give you some health benefits for Seamoss or Irish moss. It is one of the healthier source of mineral. Heals thyroid disorder, so it's good for the throat. And you can drink it daily. You can drink it as a tea. It's high in potassium. Potassium. And that is good for you and elder people. And it can get rid of virus, microbes and infection in the body. You know that? So, Seamoss is a very good thing.
And Seamoss is a very good thing.
So we get this from Jamaica. You can get this in any...
In Jamaica?
Yeah. You can get this in any Caribbean store.
You can get it
or you can get this on Amazon. You can get this.
Me.
And you can just ask somebody to bring some for you when they come from Jamaica or any Caribbean after the pandemic though. Okay, so today we're gonna make some Seamoss, Irish moss for you guys. So please stay tuned and watch this video. What I did was I washed the Seamoss to take out any impurity out of it. And then I soak it in some water and squeeze a lime on top of it to get it softened. And now we're gonna boil it. So first you wanna wash it, then you wanna soak it in some water with some lime. And then we're gonna boil it till it's transparent. Now it's opaque, you can see it. We're gonna boil it till it's very, very, very clear. If you want it to be like a gel form, you use less water. If you want it to be very, very, very thick, you use less water. But if you want to drink it like a drink or a smoothie consistent, you put more water. I don't like it very thick. It tends to be too jelly or too cuddled up for me. I don't like that. So I like it with this amount of water, which is 10 cups.
Some cinnamon or yachts.
So we're gonna add lots of cinnamon to it. We got some cinnamon stick, and we got some cinnamon leaf.
And we got some cinnamon leaf.
And we're gonna add all of this to the pot now, please. Okay, and this will give it lots of flavor. Cinnamon. Now we're gonna add the Seamoss to it now.
This is a cinnamon bun.
Yeah.
Oh, like chicken noodles. I have chicken.
Now we're gonna leave this to boil for it to be clear. Whenever you see it start get clear or everything boil out, you know, it's in the particles, you know, it's in the yellowness. So it's been half an hour. As you can see, still not done yet. Because we're still seeing plenty of the Seamoss not boiled. As you we still have a long way to go. Smells really good with the cinnamon in it. Jesus, it smells so good. Finished boiling now. Took me about an hour to boil. See? Smells very good with that cinnamon. And now we're gonna spice it up. We're gonna let it cool. We're gonna let this cool, but we're gonna spice it up. Now I'm gonna show you what I'm going to use to give it flavor. I use a milk, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, vanilla with almond essence, and some vanilla again, some red label wine. You can see I'm running out because I use this a lot, and some white rum. So I'm gonna use this to spice it up. Just try this. You see that? No, I'm not no worse.
Nothing worse.
Nothing worse.
There's how many I love that. It's like a spoon.
So as soon as it gets cold, it's gonna start to tick up.
Yep, tick up.
See that? So let's finish training.
Yep, later.
I will leave some space for the milk.
Yep.
Yes, we have leave some space for the milk.
Yep. So we have this.
And this is, see?
We have to see.
So first we're gonna add the milk.
Okay, we're gonna have the milk. I love milk. I love milk.
First we're gonna add our milk.
Yes, we're gonna add the milk. Add the milk. I love milk. I'm gonna pour it in just time. And I'm going to take my time. Okay?
Yeah. I'm gonna add the milk. You're gonna pour all the milk into this. Oh my goodness. All of it.
And we're going to taste it. It's gonna add sweets.
Yeah, it's gonna add sweet taste to it and make it taste so good. That's the Irish moss. You can drink it so just like this if you want, but
I'm done.
it just tastes too fresh for me. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla.
It's my turn this time.
Come here, add it for you and then.
We're gonna add 3 drops.
Okay, that's good.
This is for Mama.
Now I'm gonna add the other one, the almond spice.
Okay. I did it this time.
I'm gonna add all of this.
Oh man. Hold on.
And this is about 1/4 cup.
What?
Smell that, Maya? What is smell that?
Yeah, let's look at it. It's really smelling bad.
Okay. I'm gonna add 2
Put it here. Put it
tablespoon rum.
Put it here. You may pour this time. Oh.
Are you gonna pour this one or me pour one? Okay.
No. It's your turn.
Okay. So you're gonna give it a good stir for me. And I'm gonna grate the nutmeg. I'm gonna grate the one. I'm gonna grate the 1 whole nutmeg, a big one. You give it a little stir. And I'm gonna grate the nutmeg. Okay, go, mommy. Taste that? See, now we're gonna add the nutmeg. And you're gonna stir that in for me.
You want stirring?
Mm-hmm.
It's like cinnamon. But it's tasty. Good, Maya. Good, Maya. Come, Mommy.
Smell good?
Yeah, it's so good.
Okay.
Let's
Add
mix
the remainder. Okay. Gonna give me a stir? Okay. So I'm gonna bring it.
Now it's my turn now.
I'm gonna add some cinnamon powder.
I want to put it in.
You wanna put it in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Being close to me.
Alright, bring it close. I'm gonna open it for you. Not too much in the mine. We don't want too much.
No, you don't.
I'm gonna put half teaspoon. Just so that I'm gonna tell you when to stop. Not too much. So we already have some cinnamon in there already. That's good. Perfect. 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 Okay.
Smell it again.
It smells good, right?
It's like similar. Reminds me of something.
Okay.
Come on, it's my turn. Mommy.
Let me taste it, see what it wants next. We have to taste it to see if it's fresh or it's good. Taste it too.
It's good.
Tastes good?
I'm not down yet.
Give me a thumbs up. Okay. So now we're gonna, it tastes like it wants some more vanilla. Moya, come on now. We're gonna put one more tablespoon of vanilla in.
No. Oh man, but I want to taste it now.
It's not done yet. We have to make it taste real good. We have to make it taste super duper good. Maya, stop that. I'm gonna make it taste it. Just wait.
That's good.
Okay?
Okay. If you have to put this in, you forgot.
Because we have to make it taste good first. So we're done with this now.
Yep.
Now this is bursting with flavor.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna pour this in now. Take your time, take your time. Good time.
It's so sweet. You can taste one cinnamon.
Oh la
I
la.
think that's enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
Okay.
This is the finished product, guys. Bursting with flavor and nutrients. All spices and flavor. Very nice, very nice, very nice. See, guys? Very good. This is the finished product, guys. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing. Leave a comment down below if you like this video. If YouTube don't turn off the comment section. And thanks for subscribing again. And thanks for watching. Share to the friend or a family. And just please support.